We're probably over it for almost 15 years. And I haven't gone through it at all to clean it up. So I know I've got a lot of stuff in there that I probably don't need to be in there anymore. And I probably have stuff in there, and there's stuff I don't have in here that I actually need to put in here. So I'd like to go through this today, see what I've got in there. Let's start with the back. That's usually where my drinks go, but it's not in there. Pick up this, see what's in here. So there's a little tiny toolkit that's in there. The Cobalt toolkit. Probably never even pulled it out when I was riding. Probably completely forgot it was even in there. It's here. Okay, so on this side here we got the it's kind of a piece of hose for, it clips into the, some of my bikes had this clip-on gas line, so it's for the gas line. Then we got a spark plug wrench, and we got these here. These extremely rusted up CO2 cartridges to fill a flat tire with a little thing to fill it with. Okay.
Well, the valve stem's bolted here, which is probably why it's still there. So it probably is ripped off.
Huh?
The valve stem is bolted here, right?
Right, so it could rip off, yeah. Do that though, because that rim lock's supposed to stop it from doing that.
Fuck yeah, I got 2 rim locks in this damn thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you have a pump on you?
Yeah.
Let's try it then. Fuck it. Oh, bummer! That sucks! Where you guys headed?
Out!
Where you staged at?
Back at Diamond Mill.
We're in the right direction. He's in the right direction.
Yeah, we pointed it back. It's closer to that end than it is that way.
Yeah, you're
on that side. Okay, let's see what we have on the other side over here. Okay, a whole bunch of fuses. And these were for when I was doing my 83-490, and a long time ago, and I was rewiring some of those bikes whenever I had them out there.
Ah.
What?
Fuck.
What? What? Let's at least park in the shade.
Yeah. Hold on. I think I know what it might be.
Tow rope that I actually did get towed one time.
I let go and just push it in. Let go. Yeah, it pushes into the ground.
do with the front pockets here. So in here, on this side, we have maps. So I do have some very old stickers in there, but also there's laminated maps. Very old now, I think it was like 10 years ago. We have laminated maps of sections of trails. That's all that's in there. Okay, now in here, let's see what we got in here. Okay, a little tourniquet. Ooh, got a protein bar. Got some Allen wrenches plus a decibel sound meter, which the batteries are probably corroded by now. It doesn't turn on. Oh, it's still turned on actually. I see they're not corroded. So this is a golden power battery. So I got this thing like 10 years ago. I actually got it in 2010. So this battery's been here 15 years and it's still working. So golden power must be a very good battery. A little hood, keep warm in. We got some wrench, some wire. Again, it's for wiring the coil. Piece of a Allen wrench. And we got this flashlight, which is not working. So this flashlight needs new batteries. Of course, we have another Allen wrench. There's nothing in there. Some garbage. It's an old spark plug. And a ton of bolts. We have some, a ton of bolts in here. A couple of these, but.
I'm thinking if I follow you long enough, so I'll be able to pick up some parts for my bike. Slam! Oh, that hurt. That hurt. Are you guys completely compatible from the 80s?
No.
No. There's just the name. And the power. Actually, his has got more power than mine does. That's when they didn't realize that people couldn't ride that bike. They started it. And they had to detune it.
Yeah.
Some others loose?
Yep.
Oh my God, I guess I'm glad I noticed that.
Yeah.
That would have been disastrous.
Ton of bolts in there. Another one of these. Stay with me and keep putting bolts on the bike. I really haven't had to use these bolts in like 10 years. These bolts and nuts and washers. Okay, on this side here, let's see. All right, we've got crescent wrenches, crescent wrench, a little tiny vice grip. All right, this is a very, very compact, very small, socket wrench that usually had a socket with it that was just for removing spark plugs. Here's another spark plug socket, 8mm, very rare. Okay, what else was in here? Well, here is so this is a socket that I made. It's 22mm, and this here is specifically to remove the compression release on the back of a Maicos cylinder head, and this is where the cable goes through. So it's able to go around the get onto the socket of the compression release and be able to remove it without the cable getting in the way. So I had grinded this down, probably like 2009 or something. This is for the chain. I did have to use this one time on the trail. This is able to move chain links.
You're kidding me, man. Shit.
Let's find you a kickstand, boss.
Yeah.
Just so you don't have to stand here and hold your bike.
Wedged in there.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Wedged right in there. There we go. Right there. Alright.
You just use a kickstand.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Now you're just gonna roll it. You want me to pick up the back of the bike?
Let me put it on the bottom and try to roll it forward.
You got it.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah,
I'll do whatever you want.
Just roll it forward.
I'm gonna pull in.
Give me more. This is another socket, but it's a real thin one. When you don't have a lot of room underneath the bike to get the socket on, then you can use a really small one. And also it has a hole that's big enough that you can put it directly through the socket or the spark plug. The spark plug will stick out. Then you can put a wrench on here and get it off. Okay, we also have a half inch. And we have this, which used to have different stuff in it, but now it has a bunch of spark plugs in it. You have a B8 ES, cheaper ones, then you have some of the more expensive iridium plugs that are in here. Socket. This is empty, but this is Magura to fill up the Magura clutch oil, mineral oil, Magura blood. Okay, and this is another 22 millimeter. Okay, in here we have another socket wrench for spark plugs. So it's like the third one. Yeah, get some of these little pieces, you know, come off brakes, calipers, and GoPro stuff. A little tube. This is a gas line filter. Pieces of chain. So it's in there. Up here. And this is, again, that was for where I was fixing up that electrical on my bikes. I carried it around for a long time. So that's everything that was in there. So this bike here, I rejetted it. Also had a bunch of jets to mess around with. It's definitely running way too rich last time. I changed the seat to this better seat here, and I had it professionally upholstered. I mean, the grip seat that I had on it was like needles going into my legs the whole time I was riding the thing. It just hurt so much. It was not comfortable. So, did not like that gripper seat that I had on it. That's all I have for today. So, see you later.